Welcome to my Stampin' Pretty video tutorial. This is Mary Fish with Stampin' Pretty and StampinPretty.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I share paper crafting tips and ideas on my blog daily, along with the latest Stampin' Up! Specials and promotions. I sell the products that I'm going to share with you today and all the Stampin' Up! Current products. So I wanted to share with you a quick card that I feel is versatile for many occasions. I used one of the Ombre patterns from a Stampin' Up! 6x6 color pack called Color Theory. And this particular one has different shades of Dapper Denim that I used with the Up and Away Thinlits dies to create this really super cute balloon. There's other patterns, as you can see. There's a cracked paint pattern. There's also one that's more of like a paint chart that you could use as well. And so there's Dapper Denim, Berry Burst, Crushed Curry, and Old Olive, and with a combination of Whisper White. So lots of possibilities for creating these balloons, and it was really fun to discover how easy this could be. So I decided to make a cute little baby card for a girl, and this will show you, I think, a little better exactly how I did things. So these dies are from the Up and Away die set from Stampin' Up! These are the additional dies, so you can make so many more things. And then there's a coordinating stamp set as well, but I didn't use that on today's card. And I used the same style of pattern that I used for the Dapper Denim card, but in the Berry Burst version. It goes from a deep pink to a really soft pink. I think it's perfect for a little girl. You'll also see that I've already used one side, and what that tells you is that you can get 2 out of 1 6x6 sheet. A couple important tips. I'm using a magnetic platform on the bottom. That helps keep the dies in place as it goes through the Big Shot, as I'll show you in just a second. Then I have a cutting pad. Then I have the Designer Series paper, and as you can see, I layered from top to bottom the different dies that build that balloon, and then finally the little basket I'm doing in the darkest color that will go at the top. One thing with the magnetic platform, because of the placement of the magnets, you are going to want to go in the landscape direction when you're going through. If you switch it around and try to do it in this direction and turn the paper this way, you'll have some of those dies trying to reach the magnet areas, and they'll move around on you, and you'll say, oh my gosh, I'm never going to get this done. If you just simply flip it around, you won't have that problem. So I'm going to put a cutting pad on top, and I'm going to get my Big Shot die cutting machine. I probably use the Big Shot on almost every project. That and Stampin' Dimensionals and Whisper White, I think, are my go-tos. And just one trip through, and then you'll quickly see how simple it was to crop all those pieces. They're all just going to pop out. Grab the dies, and I'm going to reassemble them. All the pieces are here, and you just rebuild it. I won't take the time to do that, but you can see what we just did. And I created what I think is just a super cute little girl version of this card. So I have the layers of the balloon from the ombre paper all cropped with the dies. Very simple. I just added a little bit of our silver baker's twine. I used Welcome Baby sentiment that's dipped in Berry Burst ink. And that sentiment is from Special Celebrations stamp set from Stampin' Up! So that's the cute look that you get. Here is the little boy version, if you want to call it that, although I feel it could be very universal. And you can make it very neutral with the crushed curry, the old olive as well. So those are some great possibilities. I love being able to make it simple. I didn't have to crop all different pinks. I have just this perfect gradation of color on these two cards. So thank you for joining me for my wow tutorial. I love your comments. I love your questions. Please leave your thoughts and feedback or any questions on my YouTube page. I will be happy to get back with you, and I'll also share the link with more details on these cards so that you can check it out. There's even a free PDF that will be coming soon for the Dapper Denim version. So thanks for joining me for my WOW video tutorial. Bye-bye.